Hello children, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 9, How Many Times? Our first topic is leggy animals. There are 5 goats. How many legs altogether? Children, you can see in the picture there are 5 goats and each goat have 4 legs. So, in order to find how many legs are there altogether, that means total number of legs, we need to add 4 5 times. So, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, answer will be 20. Same thing can be written as 5 times 4 as we are adding the number 4 5 times and answer will be 20. This thing can be written in other way as 5 multiplied by 4, answer will be 20. Now see this picture of spiders. How many spiders are there? There are 3 spiders. One spider has dash legs. Count the number of legs in a spider. We will find that one spider has 8 legs. In all, spider legs are 3 times dash. Since one spider has 8 legs, we will write it's 3 times 8. In other way, we can write it as 8 plus 8 plus 8. Answer will be 24. Or we can say it's 3 multiplied by 8. Answer will be 24. Do you know this leggy fellow? Yes, this is an octopus. It lives in the sea. It also has 8 legs like spider. So how many legs altogether do 5 octopuses have? So we will write 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. Answer will be 40. In other way, we will write 5 times 8, answer will be 40. Or we can say 5 multiplied by 8, answer will be 40. Our next topic is find the number without counting. How many flowers in a flower bed? Children, you can see in the picture there are flowers arranged in lines. It has 4 columns. Each column has 6 flowers. See, in the picture you can see it has 4 columns. That means it has 4 lines. Each column has 6 flowers. If you count in one line, there are 6 flowers. So, altogether the flower bed has 4 times 6 flowers. That means we are adding 6 4 times. So we will write 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Answer will be 24. Or we can write it as 4 multiplied by 6. Answer will be 24. Let us see another way of finding the answer. Let's try another way. The flower bed has 6 rows. Each row has 4 flowers. You can see here in this picture there are 6 lines. In each line we have 4 flowers. So we can add like this: 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. That is, we are adding the number 4 6 times. We will get the answer 24. Or we can write it as 6 multiplied by 4. Answer will be 24. Next, we are going to find out how many bottles are here in this picture. In the same way, how many bottles are these? Dash times. You can see here there are 4 lines of bottles, so we will write it as 4 times. Now in the next blank, as there are 5 bottles in each line, so we will write it 5. So if you write 4 times 5, answer will be 20. That means I have multiplied 4 and 5. 4 5s is 20. Now we have to count the number of eggs in this picture. Dash times dash. You can see here in the picture there are 6 lines of eggs, so we can write it as 6 times. In each line we have 5 eggs. We can write it as 6 times 5. Answer will be 30, as 6 multiplied by 5, answer is 30. Our next question is rewrite using the plus sign. 2 multiplied by 5 is 2 times 5, or we can write it as 5 plus 5. Similarly, 4 multiplied by 18 is 4 times 18, or in other way we can write it as 18 plus 18 plus 18 plus 18. Next, 3 multiplied by 20 is 3 times 20, or we can write it as 20 plus 20 plus 20. Next one, 8 multiplied by 9 is 8 times 9. In other way we can write it as 9 plus 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 9. So we can conclude that multiplication is repeated addition. Multiplication means you are multiplying two numbers. In case if you don't want to multiply two numbers, you can even find the answer by adding the number the times it is given. You will get the same answer. Now in the next set of question, we have to find how many times a number is repeated, and we have to find its answer too. See the first one, 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. Here the number 9 is repeated 6 times, that's why it is written 6 into 9. You know that 6 9s is 54. Similarly, in the next one, 4 is repeated 5 times, that's why it is written 5 into 4, answer will be 20. Next one, here the number 8 is repeated 3 times, so we will write 3 into 8 is given, 3 8s is 24. Next one, here the number 3 is repeated 5 times, so we will write 5 into 3, answer is 15. In the next one, we have the number 30, which is added 3 times, so we will write 3 into 30, answer will be 90. Next, here the number 7 is repeated 6 times, so we will write 6 into 7, answer will be 42. Next one, here the number 12 is repeated 4 times, so we will write 4 into 12, answer will be 48. Children, you will do the rest 4 sums by yourself. Let us see the next topic. Here we have some word problems. Ramu bought 4 packets of biscuits. Each packet has 4 biscuits. How many biscuits did Ramu buy? A boy whose name is Ramu has bought 4 packets of biscuit, and in each packet, that is in one packet, it has 4 biscuits. We will write 4 into 4. Answer will be 16. Next one. There are 12 desks in a classroom. Each desk has 4 legs. What is the total number of legs of the desk? Here it is given that in a classroom there were 4 tables. Each table is having 4 legs. What is the total number of legs of all the desks, that is tables? So we will write here 12 multiplied by 4 is equal to 48. Next, Sabiha brought home 3 bunches of flowers. Each bunch has 4 flowers. How many flowers were there? Here the answer will be 3 multiplied by 4 equals to 12. Next one. One rail coach has 8 wheels. How many wheels in all in 6 coaches? Here the answer will be 6 multiplied by 8 equals to 48. I hope you understood the concept taught today. Happy learning!